Hello guys, today we are going to make a Google Chrome logo in just 3 minutes. So let's start. First of all, from here select tracing so that you will get these three options here: align, transform and pathfinder. And in the view, select smart guides, it should be turned on and tick. Snap to prime, ticked. Now go to ellipse tool, select it, click here, enter 100 mm in width and 100 mm in height, press OK. Now click again, 50 mm in width and 50 mm in height. Okay, select white color for this one and then click again, and 40 mm in width and 40 mm in height. Press OK. Select blue color for this one or cyan. Now go to selection tool, select all these three, go to align, select horizontal align center and then select vertical align center. So the shape is ready. Now select line segment tool, bring your mouse to center, and then drag your mouse to up to here, anchor. After anchor, just drag a little back to the left, and when you see path, click and hold your mouse key, left key and shift key and drag it here out of the shape. Release the mouse key, select a rotate tool and drag your mouse to the center again. Press and hold Alt key and press left mouse key. Rotate dialog will appear. Enter 120 here, copy. Select copy. And then to repeat the same action in the same degree, press Ctrl D. So these three markers are there to divide the shape. Select selection tool. Select all these three with the shape. Go to Pathfinder. Select divide. Now your shape is divided. Right click on the shape, ungroup it. Select this part, the right one, and from the color select yellow color, and from the right this one select green color. That is how your shape is made. So if you like this video, if you learn something, don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and let me know if you want to make any other logo in just 3 minutes. Thank you much guys. Thank you. Bye.